Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Gala from Galainthekitchen.com. Today I'm going to share with you how we can serve cantaloupe fun way in the shape of boat. I'm going to share with you two methods how we can place slices on our boat. This method is useful for small cantaloupe. If I serve in my boats on the same plate, I try to make them same size. For best appearance, I smooth the top first. Next step, I cutting off sweet and soft part of my future boat. For the extra stability for my design, I'm going to cut off the bottom. And now I'm ready to make this sail for my boat. The top still will be attached to skin, maybe inch or so. To hold the sail of boat, we can use plastic sticks or wooden sticks. After I attach my stick, my cantaloupe already looks like boat. To make sure my fruit fits properly in my boat, I cut off little tip, and now I just simply slicing cantaloupe in bite pieces, so it's easy will be to eat. Next method needs more effort, but in my opinion, it's more interesting design. This time, instead of making straight cuts, I'm going to slice cantaloupe under the angle. After I place slices on the boat, I'm going straightening up them, as you can see in the video. Of course, in addition, we can decorate these boats with other fruits and berries, but I like more simple and easy design as is. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and please subscribe so you don't miss my new videos.